Hey guys, I'm going to record a very short video just to show you how to use the Circuit Construction Kit. First thing you will want to do is click on Lab, there it is, and that's going to open up all this stuff. So cool. So let's take a quick look. First, here's some components that you can use here. And note that there is a whole bunch of stuff for you to play with. And usually when I do this in class, students do that pretty quickly. And you should play with it because it's fun. However, I'm going to show you how to very quickly build a quick circuit. So here's a wire. Here's a battery. Here is a light bulb. Okay, these are all the things that I need to build a circuit. If you drag a circle, you can move stuff around. So dragging is the way. One wire is not going to be sufficient here. I'm going to need at least 2 or maybe 3. I can add as many wires as I would like and connect them any way I want to, any way I see fit, for funsies or otherwise. And there you go. Okay, so there we have a completed circuit just like that. So simple that any grade 10 student should be able to do it. Now, if I make a mistake here, I can get rid of a component just by clicking on it and then hitting the garbage button down there. Okay, very easy. Okay, another thing I can do here pretty easily is change the value of my components by clicking on them. And as you can see, I have a few options here. I can increase the voltage of my battery or decrease it, or I can switch directions, etc., etc., etc. Okay, over here, over here, I also have some measurement instruments, and you may be asked to use these in your task. If you use an ammeter, make sure you use this version of the ammeter and not this magical ammeter here. I don't like this one for various reasons that I will not discuss right now. But this ammeter you have to wire into the circuit, and it's important that you do that and recognize that that's how ammeters actually work. Okay, so, all right, I'm going to stop talking and you are going to start messing about with your circuits. Have fun.